Hi, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make burritas rellenas de pollo or chicken and rellenas de frijol or beans. For the dough that we're gonna make, we're gonna use Maseca. This is the Maseca I'm using. I have 3 cups of Maseca, half a cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon or baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And also gonna use water. And for the filling, I have my tinga de pollo. If you don't know how to make it, you can go check my other videos. I show you how to do it. Fried beans and mozzarella cheese. So let's go start to make this delicious recipe. Alright, so now we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, oops, sorry about that, salt and baking powder. So we're gonna mix it, make sure everything is blending, the salt and the baking powder, and then we're gonna keep adding our water. This dough is similar to tortillas, so if you have seen my tortilla videos, that's the same recipe. So we're gonna keep mixing the flour until we get the dough that we're gonna need to make the burritas. All right, so after we keep kneading our dough, this is what we need. You can see it doesn't stick to your hands, and you can make a little ball. It's soft, no little bumps on it, so that's the perfect one. So okay, now let's go start and making them. Before that, you should put your pan with the oil to start getting hot. I'm gonna put mine, and it's gonna be on high for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna put it low. So for the next step, I have some parchment paper here, and I'm using that just to put my dough that I'm gonna be making in there. And for this part, you want to do a small bowl, just like if you're gonna make tortillas, but not too big. So you see, we're gonna use this, and we want to do one big and one a little bigger than that, just a little bigger. And I'm gonna show you why we need to do that. So you see, this one is a little bigger than this. I'm gonna make a few more. If you can see, I'm not pressing all the way because I don't want this to be too thin. All right, for the next, I'm gonna put the fillings inside. And for this one, I'm gonna put cheese with the beans in it. So if you have picky eaters, this is what you can do, and they're not gonna notice they have beans. So as you saw that, I had to put the slightly bigger one on top, because that's how we're gonna seal this. And we're trying to seal this completely so it doesn't open when we have to put them in the hot oil. As you can see, it's closed, and this is what we want. We want this to be closed so nothing comes out. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the one with the tinga. For this one, I'm not putting cheese in it because this one is just tinga de pollo. can see, this is the bigger one. I'm gonna put it on top. Now that my oil is hot, I put it on around 7. The level is 7 because I don't want it too hot. All right, gonna do another one. Alright, so now they are ready to go into the oil. I'm gonna put them there. So now that the oil is on, you see? There you go. I'm gonna put it there. So I have my heat on 7. That is kind of like between not too hot and not too cold. And the oil is around 340. All right, I'm gonna turn it over. There you go. So I'm doing this because you can see that it has a few spots that it's not cooking. So with this one, the oil is, since the oil is too hot, it's gonna cook the top. And we want them, they're gonna be a little brown, but not too much. You can hear as it started to get a little crunchy. You can even see that they are a little, they blow up a little bit. That's because it means they cook. And that's what we want. So now we're gonna keep making the rest of the dough until we finish. Okay guys, so we're finished and I got 17 burritas from the dough that we made. So you can see they're here. So now we're gonna test them. And what I like to do with them is I like to open them. Oops. And I like to fill them with some lettuce in it. I'm gonna add some cream. Some cheese. So if you don't like it with the lettuce in it, you can just pinch a little hole in here in the middle. And we're gonna add some cream. And we're gonna add some cheese. For the test, I'm gonna add some sauce. And I kind of like 2 sauces, so I'm gonna add some Valentina too. And now we're gonna test it. These are really good. You can even see on the dough that it's cooked all the way through. Nothing is wrong in it. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.